Take a look at the coolest cars from RiiRoo today. Here we have one of the nicest looking cars we sell here at RiiRoo. The Bentley EXP12 is really popular because the build quality is out of this world and its lines and styling are really impressive. It represents a natural evolution of Bentley's design DNA. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed our videos, please consider subscribing and check out our other playlists.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. The Lambo style doors have an integrated hydraulic swing arm, making this model stand out from the crowd. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.